Hi everyone, Georgetown Soaps here. I am making another restock. This one is the Avobath fragrance, and this is a Lush dupe, and it smells amazing. It is one of my all-time favorite fragrances. The description is fresh citrus lemongrass with pine undertones and a little bit of light musk. It is amazing. It's actually a really strong fragrance, but it's not like overpowering. So for citrus and lemongrass, it just smells amazing. It's such a good seller. And I've kind of been stumped on my design for this one. I haven't made it in a while. I don't know why, other than I've just got so many different other fragrances. So I'm bringing this one back. And I just didn't know what to do with my design. I feel like I was kind of in a rut with this one. So I'm just gonna try something a little bit more simple. This nice little like emerald green mica, emerald sea green mica, I guess, and just some titanium dioxide. So just a simple 2-color soap, but it smells so good. And what's nice about it, it doesn't accelerate, it doesn't rise. You can see I'm struggling to get it kind of thickened up enough. And I'm adding in my titanium dioxide that I've pre-mixed, and I forgot that I would probably want to color or stick blend in the white before I did the green. So duh on my part, but lesson learned. But I've got another stick blender attachment, so I'm just gonna throw that in just so I don't have to clean the green one off. But anyway, love this sea green color that I'm using. And I'm just gonna go ahead and mix everything in. You can see the white, it's just kind of struggling to kind of get thick enough. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead, mix everything in, do my pour, do my little chopstick swirl. So enjoy. I'll see you guys back for the cut. Alright, I've got my soap all taken care of. It got a little messy towards the end, not sure why. But I'm going to go ahead and stick this in the oven for 24 hours and then I will be back to cut it. And it smells so good. It's like, even if you don't like lemongrass, I know some people either really love it or really hate it. It's got enough other tones other notes in it that it's not just straight lemongrass. So here I've got my soap freshly pulled out of the oven, and I really have to say, really happy with a lot of these swirls. This soap came out super fantastic. I love the green. I love the contrast with the white. I was really happy with all the swirls. I think on my next batch I might do a little bit less white, but again, love this fragrance, love how these soaps came out, love the swirls. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.